here? Ooh, chargers. Guess where from? Amazon! Let's go open this bad boy up. Hey guys, so today I am going to review a few chargers. Well, not chargers, just the wires from Amazon. And don't mind my craziness because it's late. Alright guys, so this says iPhone charger, 5 of them. It'll work for the iPad, iPod, and this is actually the rose gold.
Where?
But anyhow, I got my little outlet right there. Just to show y'all if it works. So, before we go any further, we're really going to test these out. I don't know if this one works. Okay. Wow, what a struggle. Alright. And we go. My iPad over here. So the quality so far looks really good on these chargers. They came in 3 different sizes, which is pretty good if you need to put it somewhere far away or have it nearby and don't need that extra length. They definitely come in handy. But so far, they look good. What can I say? So the Sharllen chargers come in 3 feet, 6 feet, and this is the bad boy that is 10 feet long, which I'm going to leave alone. So the 3 feet is literally just the basic length of an iPad or iPhone charger. So this is the one that I'm going to technically use on a normal basis. But overall, I think it was a good purchase. It was only $14.99. And you can get it on Amazon Prime. This is definitely helpful when your charger broke and you need something as soon as possible. I'm gonna stick with the small ones. I don't need that craziness right now. Ooh. And this is like the fabric one. Alright, that was pretty smooth. And alright. Is this on? Houston, we have a problem. Apparently my iPad was dead. So, I guess it does work because it's starting. Ha! Alright, so my iPad charged, turned on, and it's on, so the wire worked. Okay. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Alright. Oops. And it works. They all should work. But so I don't know what exactly this says. It says Sharllen. That's the one that I found on Amazon. But anyhow, they should all work. We got this. That one works. Alright, so I don't think I actually have any issues with the chargers, but there you have it. So far, those are the working chargers, and I don't think I need 5, but just as a backup. And who knows? I like going on road trips now all of a sudden, so these might come in handy. Especially since my son likes to use his iPad a lot. So, that was it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Bye!